From a weekend road trip to a last-minute business flight to an ambitious train ride past country borders, Rimowa luggage is the gold standard for avid travelers. Its instantly recognizable shell makes Rimowa one of the few memorable names in the travel category. Among a sea of duffles, backpacks, and suitcases, the signature Rimowa groove is unmistakable. Decades of collaborations with fashion brands including Supreme, Palace, Off-White, and Dior frame the luggage as more than an essential. Rimowa is a luxury accessory. With a history dating back to 1898, over 100 years of refinement have transformed Rimowa from hard-wearing wood baggage to stylish aluminum and polycarbonate cases. The sleek outer shell and seamless mobility of the luggage are a best-in-class symbol of status among jet-setters all over the globe. Celebrities across industries and oceans have co-signed Rimowa in notable campaigns. Past appearances include French footballer Kylian Mbappe, Barbadian businesswoman Rihanna, tennis legend Roger Federer, British racing driver Lewis Hamilton, and New Zealand-Korean singer and dancer Rosé. Here's how Rimowa transformed the definition of luggage and became a dominating name in the luxury and travel categories. Behind the hype. Rimowa. Rimowa's design appeal is characterized by its timeless aluminum groove. The motif is present throughout classic offerings like the cabin and check-in bags, as well as one-off collaborations and smaller accessories. Due to the physical and cultural durability of the design, Rimowa famously offers lifetime repairs. The never-changing identity of the brand works in tandem with a commitment to meet shifting consumer demands. As years pass, the classic design is innovated and adapted. For example, the addition of Rimowa's patented multi-wheel system increased maneuverability and helped to further assist Rimowa as the top of its category. Rimowa's ultimate edge is a clear aesthetic. However, by establishing the standard for durable, easily transportable luggage, its visual language is intertwined with a reputation for consumer satisfaction. Building cultural history has majorly contributed to the unwavering relevance of Rimowa, particularly within the style category. Rimowa and Off-White introduced a transparent carry-on suitcase at HYPEBEAST in 2018. Supreme's bold logo plastered black and red aluminum topaz cases. An all-over spiderweb print followed in a subsequent Supreme collaboration. Further merging with streetwear, Palace contributed its perspective on a printed suitcase and a collaborative skateboard deck. Tiffany & Co.'s collaborative cases mirrored the facets of a diamond, topped with a Tiffany blue jewelry case. Moncler, Dior continue the list of collaborators exploring the possibilities of Rimowa. In Shanghai, Miami, Paris, and beyond, the As Seen By exhibit offered over 60 interpretations of the luggage, including the project were artists Devin Ojas, Sean Brown, and Nicole McLaughlin. Rimowa's reach is in every precipice of luxury. In 1898, founders Paul Morszeck and Heinrich Görtz built a company specializing in hard-wearing wood trunks in the city of Cologne, Germany. By 1937, Rimowa saw a transition from wood material products to aluminum. The move was inspired by metal's durability. Rimowa's signature embedded lines were added in 1950, a nod to the world's first all-metal passenger aircraft, the 1919 Junkers F-13. In the 2000s, Rimowa once again revolutionized travel by introducing polycarbonate cases. The material became a popular standard among many suitcase manufacturers. Later, Rimowa's introduction of customizable options made the bags all the more tailored for affluent adventurers. Rimowa's enduring appeal among the profiles of celebrities, travelers, and artists underscores its cultural significance. Ties to the fashion and streetwear categories push consumers to understand luggage as an extension of identity. From frequent flyers to comfort-minded VIPs, touting the unmistakable Rimowa groove signals reliability and a timeless status. As Rimowa continues to dominate the bag checks of eager voyeurs, its always rising standard ushers in the next benchmark of first class. Behind the hype. Rimowa.